I'm gonna show you the way to restore your headlights with 3 simple steps. What you want to do is put some WD-40 on there. You want to make sure you get it nice and lubricated, nice and moist. You want to put it all there. You want to make sure that WD-40 gets into the surface or your headlights. This is the way you restore your headlights. You don't have to pay all this money to change them or to buy all these like chemicals that don't even work. It's an easy 3-step process that is gonna help you restore your headlights. I will show you the before and after. As you guys can see, everything is already looking better. I have an orange. You can use this orange. And I got some baking soda. You wanna put it on there, just like that. Put some, look at that sizzle. You see that? You spread it out there. You make sure you get that foam of that orange, the citrus. That's what's gonna help fight all that grime, or how you call it, all that excess dirt you have on your headlights. So once it's like that, you're just going to slap it on there, just like this. Always wear protecting gloves, have your glasses. You don't want this falling in your eyes. That's all you're gonna do. You're gonna work it. You really want to get in there, work it like this. Make sure you get all the sides of the headlight, just like this. You really got to get in there. All right, get this line, get all that citrus juice, get a nice clean. All right, this is good. Let's use the extra piece we have here. We have another orange right here. Let's use it up. All right, then we do the same process. We squeeze it a little bit, allow that juice to mix with the baking powder. Now we do another round of this, just like that. You really want to get it all in there, just like that. Now let's put some of that juice. We scrape it over. All right, you see? So once you have it all over, just like this, once you have you want to make sure the baking powder is dissolved with the juice of the orange. Once it's dissolved, we're gonna clean our hands. We're gonna use some saran wrap paper, slap it in there, just like that. All right, that's good enough. We gotta make sure everything is nice and stuck there, so when we remove it, then all that juice and all that baking powder is gonna be stuck to this. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna leave it there for about, I would say, 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and give it a look. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove this saran wrap off our headlights. Let's place it aside. Now what you want to do is put your rag over it, and you want to get as much off of it as you can in one swipe. The baking soda in it, you know, it helps remove the rust and all the chemicals that is being added from the road and everything to your headlights. That's usually why they tend to get all messed up, because you have the other cars throwing all those fuels and all the stuff onto your headlights. So you really want to remove that. And baking soda is a really good, the properties of baking soda really help you remove this type of things. And also the WD-40 plays really good. If you use it on aluminum, if you have like an aluminum truck and you want those rims to be nice and shiny, that's the best thing right there you want to use, is this WD-40. That's the best thing you can use. All right, let's give it a final clean. There you guys have it. Let me show you the before and after. Let's clean it up. Now this is nice and clean. Let's get a napkin. Let's dry this out so you guys see what these magical 3 ingredients do. Now we do some of this. We put a little bit more just for the extra shine. And there you have it, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the before and after. and you have your nice and restore headlights. Check that out. Check how nice and done they look. Boom. Yeah, baby.